the level indicator. Now we can start the machine from the mains on. Okay, this is mains on. Now we have to set the temperature by pushing the set button. We can set this, enter, and then set time. Timer will be, we can set 15 minutes. Then we can set enter. Now it has been set at 121 degrees Celsius. Okay, so machine is starting. This is heating indicator which is showing heating has been started. This is mains indicator, it means current is passing into the machine. Now moving anti-clockwise. This is clockwise, anti-clockwise. We can open it. This is that. This is our chamber, and if you go to the other part, this is our double door only. Now this is our pressure indicator. Now you can see. Now we have to close it from here. It is completely fit. Now we have to put the cylinder. Now we can put the cylinder. Before putting the cylinder, we can put these are indicator tapes which will show you, which will change its color after reaching 121 degrees Celsius. Now we can close it and put this. Now we can close it. You can see the temperature is rising, and here you can see the pressure of the boiler. This is the pressure of boiler. You can check from here. It is 0. But the machine has been started. It is working and water is boiling. As you can see, the temperature is rising. When we transfer from chamber to jacket, the temperature will increase. Now you can see the pressure of the boiler. If we go to the other part of the chamber, you can see the pressure inside the chamber from the dome. Now we have to release the steam. This is moisture from the chamber. We have to, at 105, we have to close this valve. We have to close this valve so that we can maintain the pressure inside the chamber. After reaching 105, we have to stop. You can see the pressure of the jacket, pressure of the chamber, both are same. Here, if we come to the next part, you can see it is showing the same sign. The chamber pressure will be same on both this. In PSI, it will stop. When it goes down, it will automatically start. the timer has been started. After reaching 121 degrees Celsius, timer will start automatically. Now it is set for 15 minutes. You can see we have set for 15 minutes. You can see the pressure is 15 psi here, 15 psi in the jacket and chamber. This is for chamber, this is for jacket. 15 psi and 15 psi. Changing the temperature, timer will start, and after 15 minutes cycle will end. Now cycle has been completely ended. Now we have to, it will automatically switch it off. Automatically switch off the machine. There is no need to switch it off. You can see heating indicator is off. There is only main indicator is running. Cycle is end. Now we can release the pressure from the main chamber. We must have to release the cold moisture from here by pushing this. Now we have to release the pressure from the chamber and jacket. You can see here. You can see. The pressure is getting down. It is coming to zero. You can see from here. The pressure has come to zero. The pressure has come to zero. You can see over here also. We have released the pressure. It has come down to zero. Here we can see it has come down to zero. Now we can open the machine. Open. See, you can see. You can see the color of the tape. Changed completely. You can see color of the tape. You can see the color of the tape. Changed completely. You can drain the water from here.